Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, tap Skip, then go to Fix and Manage section, select Import from SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to import and which you don't want. Tap Import, then Keep. And after that, these contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.